welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pilar Vlogs USA. And I have something gonna do today. I am gonna grow my armpit hair. So today is September 22, that's the date. I showed you that today is September 22. So I am gonna grow my armpit hair for at least 2 months or more. Let's see if how many months I'm gonna grow my armpit hair, okay? So for today, I am gonna shave it just to show you guys that I'm shaving my armpit hair, to let you know that my armpit is no more hair, okay? That I shave it today, September 22. I'm gonna grow my armpit hair super long. And of course, I am gonna update you. So there's my armpit and the other side. I'm gonna shave it. So I am gonna grow my armpit hair like 2 months or 3 months or more. So it's all clean up.
One eternity later.
Hello everyone, today is I am gonna update you for my armpit hair. Today is October 22nd. It's been 1 month that I grow my armpit hair. So this time guys, I am gonna show you the date on my phone to let you know that it is already October 22nd. Did you see that? So it's been 1 month that I'm growing my armpit hair. So here it is. Here is the progression guys after 1 month. That's the 1 month update for my growing hair armpit. Next, I'm gonna update you November 22nd. Let's see if how long it will get. So, see you next month, okay? November 22nd, I am gonna video again. See ya!
One eternity later.
And I am back after 1 month. So, I am gonna show you today's update that it is already November 22nd. It's been 1 month the last time I did a video, okay? So right now, I am gonna show you the date that it's really 1 month ago. That's the time right now, 22nd of November. You can see it, okay? And now, I am gonna show you the growth of my armpit hair. Ta-da! Look at this. I can use a comb. Better one. Alright guys, that's my update for today for the month of November 22nd. And I'm gonna see you next month, December 22nd. I don't know if until when I'm gonna stop this, but as long as I am happy doing it, I'm gonna grow some more of my armpit hair. So I'm just enjoying the moment, okay? And see you on the next month, December 22nd.
One eternity later.
Hello everyone! Today is the update for my balahibo sa ilok! Balahibo sa kilikili! Today is December 22nd. Ang haba na niya guys. Grabe ang haba. I'm gonna show you that today is really December 22nd. Today is December 22nd. That's my update for today. So it's been a month again. It's another month. So this is December. And here is the growth of my armpit hair. It's super long. Next. Ito naman isa. Susuklayin natin. So guys, iyan yung update ko for today. I'm gonna see you on January 22nd. See you. See you next month.
One eternity later.
Hello everyone, I am back for my 4 months update for my armpit hair. Look. So guys, I am gonna show you the date for today is January 22nd. Look, today is January 22nd. So that's the date. So guys, it's been 4 months that I grow my armpit hair. So here's the update for my armpit hair. I'm gonna show it closer. My long hair. So that's my armpit hair for 4 months. I started last September and it is 4 months for today. It's so long now. I'm gonna comb it. 4 months. 4 months old. So guys, see you on the next month, next update, February 22nd. See you.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, I'm just gonna do a quick update for my armpit hair. So today is February 22nd. Today is February 22nd. And here it is. I'm gonna see you on the next month, March 22nd.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, I am gonna do an update for my armpit hair. So today is a little bit late.
One eternity later.
Hello everyone! I'm just gonna do an update for my armpit hair. Ta-da! Actually guys, this will be the last one. The last month that I'm gonna grow my armpit hair. So I started last September. And then now is April. So here is the date, April 25th. It's April 2021. So it's been 7 months I started to grow my armpit hair. So here it is. So it is the last month, and I think it's okay to grow your armpit hair as long as it's winter. Yeah, because you don't go outside, especially if it's winter, because if you go outside, you need to cover up your body. So your armpit is not gonna show up. But the summertime is approaching. So it's time for me to to clean my armpit, to show up my kili because it's summertime. So I was having fun. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell for more uploads. Bye. See you.